it doesn't really snow in Ham, the place I live in. The town of Winterberg is just 3 hours away and gets heavy snowfall and has ski resorts. So me and my 4 friends, Mihir, Vedaraj, Rutvij and Vinay, we planned this trip. Getting closer to Winterberg, things start getting whiter. The view on both sides of the train are mesmerizing that we could not resist getting some clicks. We fetched some snacks from the store at Winterberg station. Then we started our walk towards a nearby park.
मस्त तू फेरी मारा
Walking downhill in snow was difficult without snowshoes, and I was the first victim.
बहुत गिरने वाला है to go down मैं बहुत गिरने वाला बर्फ की दुनिया में
Winterberg was empty as skiing parks were closed because of the lockdown, which meant all the hotels and activities were closed. Only public transport and grocery stores were open. I had been here 2 years before in winter. Back then, it was extremely busy. This time, it was different picture, and I enjoyed it more.
कितने कब चढ़े हम Oh shit. बाबा ने उसके लिए ये दिया है चैलेंज ओह डैम
We then took a bus to Altestenberg, which is the highest point in Winterberg. The snow was even deeper here, and the place was even more scenic. We came across this beautiful patch which was enclosed on all sides with trees. We spent plenty time here playing in the snow. With amazing memories, we started our journey back home. Hello guys, firstly I would like to wish you all a very happy new year 2021, and if you like the video then hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed then please subscribe to the channel, and in the comment section please post your reviews about the video so that I can improvise from the feedback you give for my videos. And there is a cinematic video of Winterberg that is coming next, so maybe in a week I'll be uploading the same, and see you all.